Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me. So today I am going to show you how I make this absolutely delicious coconut prawn curry. This dish took me less than 30 minutes to make, and guys, it is incredible. You and your family are definitely going to enjoy this recipe. Stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. In this bowl, I have my king prawns. These have been deshelled and also deveined. I have some chopped onions, garlic, chilies, ground pimento. I have Betapac curry powder, Badia curry powder, and turmeric. I have my thyme, spring onions, and I'll be using 3 types of bell peppers, green, yellow, and red. I have Himalayan salt, adobo seasoning, onion salt, Badia complete seasoning, garlic granules, dried parsley, coconut oil, all-purpose seasoning, fish seasoning, coconut milk, jumbo crayfish flavoring stock, black pepper, and white pepper. I will list all the ingredients used in this recipe in the description box below with the measurements too. I am now going to season the prawns. As I've added all my seasonings, I am now going to mix the 3 curry powders together, and I'm going to add a little bit to the prawns. I'll mix this and set this aside for later use. Now let's get started on the curry. So to my pan, I've just added coconut oil, and I'm going to allow the coconut oil to melt. As you can see, the coconut oil has melted. I am now adding the onions and garlic, and I'm going to fry this until it is nice and fragrant. Once the garlic and onions is fragrant, I'm just adding a little bit of the curry powder, and I'm going to allow this to infuse with one another for about 2 minutes on low to medium heat. Two minutes later, I am now going to add the coconut milk. I am now going to add my thyme and chilies. Next, I will be adding my seasonings. As I've added all my seasonings, I'm just mixing everything together, and I'm going to allow this to come to a boil on low to medium heat. And as you can see, the sauce has come to a boil. I'm just going in and adding the prawns, and guys, this smells so good. My goodness, I just love me some coconut curry. I am now going to add the mixed bell peppers. Next, I will add the spring onions, and I'm going to allow the sauce to simmer until it thickens for 10 minutes on low to medium heat. And the coconut prawn curry is ready. It smells incredible. It looks amazing. I cannot wait to tuck in. And guys, this delicious dish took less than 30 minutes to cook. You can certainly make it and you definitely enjoy. I'm going to pair this with my plain rice. I also have my fried plantain, which is frying away, and we are done. Thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and please turn on your bell notification icon. And I'll see you next time. Bye.